times this time of year, we're often looking and anticipating for those dormant plants to start breaking bud and come out of that dormancy. And sometimes some plants can take a little bit longer than we anticipated. We anxiously wait and wonder, are they still alive and are they going to come back? Well, I want to show you a simple and easy way to find out if that plant is still alive. And it doesn't really do any harm to the plant at all. I tend to find myself doing this a little bit because I'm wanting to rush spring sometimes. But what you can do is it's called a scratch test, and it's really simple. You can sometimes do it with your fingernail if you have a sharp fingernail, and depending on how thick the bark is. But what you're going to do is just basically scratch the outside layer of the wood a little bit. And if you notice here on this particular branch, it's just kind of white. It was pretty rough. It didn't feel very wet. There was not much to it. So I have a feeling that this branch right here doesn't have much life to it. Now, just because you find something that doesn't appear to be alive, that doesn't mean this whole plant is dead, okay? So what we're gonna do is go down to the base of the plant and scratch the base of the wood just slightly. And there you can see that we've got some green exposed cambium, and that cambium layer is basically what's showing that there is still life in this plant. So if you see green anywhere on the plant, then you know that plant still has life to it. Just because you see a little dead doesn't mean the whole plant is dead. Now on this particular plant, this is a vitex or a chase tree, and so it's got several different branches. Now each one of these branches might represent something, but we know that for the most part this plant is still alive. If you have a single solitary tree, you would want to scratch the base of it to really identify whether that whole plant is alive. Again, if the top part is showing no green, that doesn't mean the base of it is not still alive. And when you do this, you want to make sure that you're just nicking the wood. You don't want to encircle by scoring it all the way around, but just slightly nick the wood to expose that green cambium layer. Now you want to be cautious on something that's grafted. A lot of times the stem might appear that it doesn't have any green and not be viable, but you might still see shoots coming up from the base of it. And that's often because the scion or the grafted wood might have died back, but the rootstock is actually growing back. And in that case, you're going to have a plant growing there, but it might not be the plant that you intended that has the quality of that upper grafted growth.
We hope you enjoyed this video. It's part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on our OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.